You share your screen. So I shared 4 emails. In every email, there is an attachment.
Mhm.
Download all those things. Keep it in a folder called AEM. Okay, fine.
Yes, I did that. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So now we are going to do the installation. So
Okay.
first, AEM is a Java-based content management system. We already discussed, right? It's a Java-based CMS. So first, we have
Yes.
to install Java. On top of Java, we can install AEM. Okay.
Okay.
So AEM supports JDK. I mean, the latest version of Java which supports AEM is JDK 11. So there are number of
Mhm.
versions available, JDK 17, 18, 21, like number of versions are there. But
Mhm.
till JDK 11, Java supports AEM. So we have to install JDK 11. Before
Okay.
we install it, we have to check which version of Java you are having in your system.
Okay.
So open your command prompt.
So I.
Yeah. Open the command prompt. You have to type the command java space hyphen version. Enter. So you are having JDK 21, which doesn't
21.
support
Yes.
AEM.
Mhm.
So you have to uninstall this and install
Okay.
JDK. So open
Okay.
control panel, install uninstall program,
Mhm.
uninstall program. So JDK, just type
Yes.
Java. Yes, yes,
This one is.
correct. Uninstall this. So you are also having JDK 11.0.
11.
Yeah, just
Yes.
uninstall that one also because we are going to install a fresh JDK. Yeah.
Okay.
Fine. So
Mm.
now close the command prompt and open a new command prompt and type the same command java space hyphen version. Yeah, that is fine. So now we'll go to that. Yes, extract Oracle JDK 11. Extract all. Open that folder. Double click on this exe file. You just need to click on next, next, next. Close. So open a new command prompt now and run the same command java space hyphen version.
Yeah.
Now you have JDK 11 in your system. So we are good
Yes.
to install AEM now. There are two
Okay.
instances of AEM, author instance and publish instance. So
Okay.
mostly we are going to work on author instance. So in AEM folder, no, wait, uh,
Okay. Okay.
wait, you can extract. That's fine, that's fine. Extract it.
Yeah.
So it will be extracted.
Mhm. Something else. Cannot complete the compressive folder extraction wizard. It says it's empty.
Okay, so you can cancel this, delete this zip file,
Mm-hmm.
mm, delete it. I guess it will be there in your downloads folder. Copy paste it again or
Okay.
download it again. that one. You can extract it now.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now in AEM folder, create two folders, author and publish. So there are two instances. We'll
Okay.
use author folder for author instance and publish folder for publish instance. Author, AUTHOR. No, no, don't, only author. Folder name is
On
only.
here.
Yeah. Remove that space. Yes, correct. So now create another folder, publish. Now copy the, open that CQ Quick Start 650 folder. You'll
Mhm.
find a jar file inside that.
Yes, there is.
Copy that jar file into author as well as publish folder.
Okay. To the both, you're
Yes, sir.
saying.
Yeah, both folder you have to copy. So same jar file is going to serve both your author instance as well as
Mm-hmm.
publish instance. But we have to rename the jar file based on the naming convention. It will serve your
Okay.
instance.
Okay.
So now go to your author folder. So rename this jar file to AEM-author- P4502. AEM
Can you say it
lower,
again?
all are in lowercase. AEM
Okay.
hyphen author AUTHOR hyphen P. P stands for port number. P4502
Okay.
dot jar. That is fine. So it means this jar file will serve your author instance and your author instance
Mm-hmm.
will run on port number 4502. So if you change the
Okay.
port number to 7502,
Mm-hmm.
AEM hyphen author hyphen P7502 dot jar, your author instance will start on port number 7502. So based on the naming
Okay.
convention, your instance is going to start. Okay, so
Okay.
similarly, go to publish folder, rename the jar file to AEM-publish-P4503.
Publish. Before.
AEM-publish-P4503. Okay, it's a different port number. Okay,
Okay.
so one port number will be occupied by one application only. Fine. So now I shared one properties file. Copy that properties file into both author and publish folder. So as
Okay.
you know, AEM is a license tool, right? We
Yes.
need a license key. So this properties file contains one training license key, and you are not supposed to share this software or the license key with anyone. Okay,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
don't use it for commercial purposes. You only use
Yeah.
it for learning purpose. Okay.
Okay.
Now copy this properties file into both author as well as publish folder.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
So do
So
I need
now,
to delete from here or is it okay
no,
if it
no,
is?
that's fine. Let it be there. If something happens,
Okay.
you can use it later.
Okay.
So now go to author folder, double click on this jar file. So it will start your author instance. Click allow. So here you can see starting quick start on port number 4502. Your author
4502.
instance starting on port number 4502. So you'll see a
Okay.
progress bar here. You just need to monitor that progress bar. Once it reaches the end point, your instance
Mm.
will start. Okay.
Okay.
So to know
Yeah.
your instance is started or not, you can go to CQ Quick Start folder, which got created in the author folder. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Open that. You'll find a folder called logs. Open that logs folder. Here you will find error.log. You have to check the size of this file. It should increase. Increasing
Okay.
means, if it is increasing means your instance, getting installed successfully. Okay.
Okay.
So it
Yeah.
may take some 10 to 15 minutes or maybe less than
Okay.
that. We just need to wait till that time. Okay.
Okay.
Once your author instance is installed, it will
Mm-hmm.
ask you the credentials. Okay.
Okay.
So a new tab in your browser will open. It will ask you username and password. So username is
Mm-hmm.
admin, password
Mm-hmm.
admin. All are in lowercase. Okay. You just need to
Okay.
wait for that screen.
Okay.
Yeah, so your instance is started. You can open your browser, Chrome browser. Yes. So enter admin and admin. Username is admin, password is admin.
Sorry. Yeah, all in lowercase, right?
Yes, all are in lowercase. Okay. Fine. So this is
Okay.
your master navigation console. Okay.
Mm.
Once you start your instance, it will land you on this console. From here, you can navigate to all other consoles of AEM. So
Okay.
in the leftmost panel, you can see a hammer symbol. Leftmost. Click on
Yes.
that. Click on that. Yes. Now you click on. There is an interface CRXD Lite. Right side. Right side. Uh,
Yes.
Click on that. So this is
Okay.
one of the console provided by AEM. We'll discuss what is console,
Mhm.
what is CRX3 and all in details in our next class. Okay. So
Okay.
expand the
Yeah.
apps folder here. Apps folder. The first folder is
Yes.
apps. Expand it. Do you see W retail there? Yes, it is there. Okay. So your
Yes.
installation is successful. Okay.
Okay.
So in our next class, we are going to discuss about different consoles provided by
Mhm.
AEM. So in our
Okay.
earlier classes, we just discussed the introduction things like what is CMS, right? Content management system, number of CMSs available in the market, why everyone is preferring AEM. Then we discussed author instance, publish instance. Then we discussed how the content flows from content authors to the end users, right? So you
Mhm.
have author instance, publish instance, then you have dispatcher running on web server. So dispatcher get the request and serve the request to the end user. Then
Mhm.
we discussed about templates and components. So templates are markups or layouts to create the pages. Components are reusable functional blocks. Okay, so we discussed all those things. After that, we have done this installation. Okay, so the whole process is recorded. Okay, if someone joins,
Okay.
we can share the recording with him. Okay, so in our next class, we are
Okay.
going to discuss about different consoles provided by AEM. Okay, so
Mhm.
that's it for the day. If you
Okay.
have any questions, you can go ahead. Do you have any
So we
questions?
don't have to do anything in the publish. It was already.
Actually, if you're working in a server, dev server, QA server, so there you can start your publish instance. So it will
Mm-hmm.
take a lot of memory. If you start both the instances in your local system, it will take a
Mm-hmm.
lot of memory. It will hang your system. So
Okay.
mostly we are going to work in author instance. So no
Mm-hmm.
need to start your publish instance now.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, and if
Okay,
you
I
want
got
to
it.
stop it,
Yeah.
if you want to stop your instance, there
Mm-hmm.
is go to your status bar. You can see AEM logo there. Not here, not here. In the status,
Okay, yeah, this.
yes, you can see Eclipse, uh, your teams. Those icons are there, right? Down, down.
Um,
Not there, down at the status bar. Windows status bar. Not where
no
you can
status
see.
bar. Where I'm going? Yes, yes. Here.
Yes, click on that. If you want to stop your instance, there is a button, blue color button. Click on that, your
Okay,
instance
yeah.
is stopped. And if you want to
Oh,
start it, just go to that author folder, double click on the jar
okay.
file.
Okay. Again. All right.
Right. Oh.
Um,
Yeah, anything else? Author folder. Double click on
this
the jar.
one.
Yes. Okay. So it will start
Okay.
and it will ask you the credentials again.
Okay. So it will again take that much of time, or it will
No,
just
no, it
okay.
will be fast. Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Okay, fine, guys. So
Okay. Yeah.
that's it for the day. See you tomorrow, same time then. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss.